Mika, what did the doctor say? Did you have a good report from the doctor? Yes. Are you saying book? Can you say book? Good job. What about sippy? Sippy? Good job. What about all done? Say all done. All done. Or maybe more? What's more? More? Good job. Who's a big 15-month girl? Huh? Ay, 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 ay. You want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.